Hey guys, welcome to Math tutorial. Today we will learn to find the value of fourth root of 81. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Also do like, comment and share my videos. So let's start. At first, we have to factorize 81. Now, look that the sum of the digits of 81 is divisible by 3. So, this number will also be divisible by 3. So, this can be written as 3 times something. That means it is 3 times 27. Now, to factorize 27, we will follow the same rule and we will have 3 times 9. That means we have now 3 times 3 times 9. And we know that 9 is also equal to 3 times 3. So we have 81 equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now we will take fourth root on the both side. And taking that we have fourth root of 81 is equal to fourth root of 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now we know that fourth root can be written as power 1 by 4 and we have written it in this way. And also look that we have 4 number of 3s here. So it can be written as 3 power 4. So we have 3 power 4 power 1 by 4. And it can be rewritten as 3 power 4 times 1 by 4. Using the rule of a power m power n is equal to a power m times n. Here a is 3, m is 4 and n is 1 by 4. Now look that in the power 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So we have 3 power 1. That means 3. And this is our expected answer. Thank you for watching.